Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Garmin Fenix 7X. In this video we will be covering the price, the unboxing itself, the main hardware aspects of the smartwatch, a guide how to get started and a short demo of the device. The Fenix 7 has currently 14 different SKUs. 7X is starting at $899 and it only has the Solar edition and the Sapphire Solar for $999. For the 7 and 7S you have the standard edition at $699, the Solar edition for $799 and the Sapphire Solar for $899. This is the Fenix 7X Solar edition. It comes only in this black version. Let's go into the unboxing. This is the product number for the 7X Solar. Box is very similar as what Garmin does currently with all of the boxes. Let's do the unboxing. The box has the watch itself. It has a charging cable. This is the same charging cable as Garmin has been using on all of its devices recently. Then we have a Fenix 7 series manual. I'll leave a link to the manual down below. Some important safety and product information. The 7X case looks very nice. Solar version, Garmin calls the lens power lens. The bezel material here is stainless steel. This 7 model, also the lugs are stainless steel. The back cover is also stainless steel. The rest of the case is fiber reinforced polymer, so basically that's plastic. The buttons, it still has all of the 5 buttons as before. Now this start and stop button has a button guard which protects from accidentally pressing the buttons. Of course you can also lock the buttons, but with the button guard maybe you don't have to. The buttons have these labels, so that's very helpful for new users. So here we have the start and stop button. Here we have the back and lap button. The down button is here, up button and long pressing is the menu button. Then we have a light button. The 7X we have a LED flashlight here at the top. It's only on the 7X editions. It doesn't exist on the 7 or the 7S. This is the Solar edition, so it does have a solar panel here on the outside of the screen, as you can see. The device is very rugged. It also has 100 meters waterproof. Case sizes are exactly the same as they were with the Fenix 6 series. This 7X is 51 millimeters, 7 is 47 millimeters, the 7S is 42 millimeters. Case is rather thick at 14.9 millimeters, but that's exactly the same as Fenix 6X had. The watch comes with these silicone straps, which I find to be quite comfortable. They are the same quick fit bands as you're used to with the Fenix series. These are 26 millimeter straps, so if you have some from your previous model, those will also fit on the device. This quick fit system is really easy to change. The display on all of the Fenix 7 series have sunlight visible transflective memory in pixel displays. The display resolution on this one is 280 times 280 pixels and the screen size is 1.4 inches. So that's slightly larger than on the Fenix 7, which is 1.3 inches. Garmin didn't include the option of an AMOLED screen on the Fenix 7 series, but Garmin did launch at the same time the Epix, which has an AMOLED screen. If you're interested in the Epix, which is basically a Fenix 7 with an AMOLED screen, I will leave a link at the end so you can watch that next. Garmin has really improved the battery life quite dramatically on this one. On the 7X the battery life is up to 28 days in smartwatch mode, and with the solar power it's up to 37 days in smartwatch mode. So comparing that to the 6, it had 21 days in smartwatch mode. With the smaller 7S and 7 versions you do get shorter battery life because they also have smaller batteries. All of the Garmin 7 series watches have maps and music. The standard edition and the solar editions have 16 gigabytes of storage, and the Sapphire version has 32 gigabytes of storage. On the 16 gigabyte version, the maps are not preloaded, except for the ski maps and the golf maps. Those are preloaded, but for the other maps you need to download the ones which you want manual. They are free though. This Fenix 7 comes with the newest version of this Garmin Elevate wrist heart rate monitor. To get started with the Fenix 7, you can power it on by holding down the light button. You will need to download Garmin Connect, create a profile, and then use Garmin Connect to connect to your device. Let's select the language. So you have different languages here. Forgot to mention Garmin added on the Fenix 7 a touch screen, which didn't exist on the Fenix 6. So let's select English, then pair with phone. Now it's saying download Garmin Connect mobile to complete the setup. So I have Garmin Connect here on the iPhone. You can also use an Android phone to do this. Let's select more, go down to Garmin devices, and then add device. Now it already found the 7X Solar. Let's select connect it. It's giving a pin code, so let's insert that here and press on pair. Allow Fenix 7 to display notifications. Allow. And let's replace this as the preferred activity tracker. Now it's saying well done. Let's click on next. Then it's asking for the bed times. Want to receive notifications? No, not during those times. Then select next. Then it says almost done, sync your device, and let's select sync now. And it says you're all set. Let's select finish. Now you're all set. Let's select finish. So now it says congratulations on your new Fenix 7 Solar. The next steps would be setting up music, Garmin Bay, Wi-Fi, Connect IQ, and solar charge. But let's not do that now. I'll skip those for now. Ready when you are. Got it. Navigating the Fenix 7 is very similar compared to the Fenix 6 if you're familiar with that, but if not, you can just use the up and down buttons to get to the widgets, and the back button to get back to the start screen. Then if you hold down the light button, you get to the controls, where you have things like music controls, wallet for Garmin Pay, and clocks, and so on. And if you want to interact with the widgets, let's go to the sunset times. So for example, sunset times, I can go in here and I can scroll through the days. If I want to start an activity, I'll press on the start button here, choose your activities. So first I'm setting up my favorites. So let's select, for example, trail, run, and treadmill. Then let's go down and select done. And now I can select an activity, for example, treadmill. I'll start it from the start button. Okay, it's giving a tip, hold for activity settings, training and more. Yeah, sure. I'll skip that. Go to treadmill, and then I'll press start again to start the activity, and stop for stopping the activity. In most places I can also use the touch screen to navigate, so I can also scroll up and down to the widgets. I can interact with the widgets via the touch screen. And what's great about this Fenix 7, and one reason why I bought it, is the LED flashlight up here. So I can double tap the light button to activate that LED flashlight, and double tap again to deactivate it. If you found this video helpful, please do consider subscribing. If you want a more vibrant screen and want to sacrifice a bit of battery life, then the Epix is a great option. You can check my Epix unboxing here, so go watch that one next. Thanks for watching.